Do you love me?
Level attention to detail. These are kids.
Hey loves, excuse the mess. So this is my remodel. Isn't it cute? I seen it when I was at breakfast at Barney's. They had a rolling bar. This right here is a candle, my favorite candle, Rose Ganache. It smells so good. Oh my God, so good. This right here, I like to recycle stuff. So I use a package from My Outfit Online, kind of like the Sheen ones. And I put all my wet wipes in there because I feel like it looked kind of clean looking. Because I hate the packages that they come in. Like, I feel like they just look really messy. Like how that second row looks. I'm thinking about taking some of these off. But, and probably that too. Less is more, right? So, normal wipes like Huggies and toilet paper. It is kind of hard to have this here because I can't really pull my cabinet out. But, yeah, I'm going to just figure that out or pull it out every time. I don't know. We'll see. But, yeah, so the second and bottom shelf, we're going to try to do something with that. But there's your Huggies, antibacterial wipes in the back just for cleaning the toilet seat. I have some shades down here. And these crystal knickknacks, it's like real crystal. Like, my dad is an antique person, like an old lady. And when he gives me this stuff, it's not something you can just throw away. So I don't know where to put those because my apartment is too small. Smooth transition here.
It right there, so I went and put this here, and I found this at Hobby Lobby for $40 and got it on discount because I got a little crack. But since I know how to work with stone, I'm gonna go ahead and fix that, and I'm gonna show you how to do that on another tutorial. And if we come over here, this is my little area for nice drinking and all that. Hold on, let me get the light because it looks better in the light. Boom, see that? See how that sparkle? I have extra stuff over here because I also make sage sticks for my business, but and I didn't have nowhere to put it at the time, but this is like my nice little wine area. So I took those bottles that were on the bar and I put them right here. So this doesn't turn or anything. It's not a lazy Susan, but I think it works out. It looks very country Texan right now, so yeah, it worked out. Y'all gonna see. It's gonna look good. Hey guys, so today I thought I would tackle the laundry room, and I guess like I be having see how I try to hide it. To make it not look as bad. That was up here. That's been up here for I don't know how long. I had some clothes that I was gonna sell. It has some winter clothes because it's summer. You know how you switch them out. And yeah, it's just stored like that. But I also have like purses that I keep up here. This keeps my drill though. I love my drill. Anyway, but it's probably tearing up my purse, so I probably shouldn't do that. But anyway, we're gonna tackle this whole situation because even though this is not like a super glamorous apartment, this is not okay. So yeah, to be continued. Guys, so I went to Five and Below, and I think I also found some of these at Marshall's and Ross. But basically, this is what I'm gonna use to redo my laundry room. So I think these were like perfect. This ended up being perfect because it's tall. I can fit like my tall bottles in here. Boom. Spray and snack like we all don't have bug spray because baby, I want to be ready for when they do come because I have a lot of wasp on there. So yeah. Oh man, that one don't fit. Well, this doesn't fit in that one. And then we'll put this in that one. Oh man, works out. And then in here, I do my laundry sheets, and my little Swiffer, and my little duster. We put, bam. And then some Febreze, we'll keep that in here. And I'm using liquid laundry detergent right now, but normally I use pods, so I will keep the pods in there. So, and then I always keep bleach separate because you know how that goes. So, this is the finished product. Boom. Obviously much better. I give these a wipe down, and these still kind of look dingy to me. I don't know what this is, but I do work with dye and stuff, so I could have accidentally dyed it and did all that. But anyway, I wiped into there, and then I still like to keep my work clothes somewhere that I know they are, because in the morning I get up at like 3:30, and if I can't find my stuff, I'm gonna be super late. So yeah, and I just have my regular stuff. Now this, somebody help me. What are these? Every time I dry something, I think when I dry jackets or something, these little balls come. I don't know if they belong to the dryer, but they're magnetic, so I don't know. I don't know what that is, but if somebody knows, let me know, please. So yeah. Anyway, that's my design. Boom, boom. It's my remodel. Looks way better, please believe. Hello. My sister would be so proud. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.